Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you guys how I will be using my Roushun clay to clarify my scalp, plus how I mixed it. So these are the ingredients I will be using to mix it up, and let's jump into this. So here is my clay, my Roushun clay. I will grab half cup of Roushun clay. Then you can add more if you want, depends, because my hair is medium length long, so, and it is very full, so I probably need maybe half of everything. So this clay is made for oily skin. You can use it on your body, on your face, including your scalp. So I got this one, and this is the one I will be using. So you're gonna have to add your apple cider vinegar, which I just did. You can also mix it with water if you want, especially if you are sensitive to apple cider vinegar. Then you should add a bit water to like reduce it a bit. So I will go ahead and start mixing everything together. You want to really mix this very well because you don't need clumps on your clay, and if it is not enough, you can just go ahead and add a bit more. And beside, you don't want to use a metal bowl to do this, because the clay will lose the negative charge, and you don't want that, because you want the clay to be very effective when you are using it to clarify your scalp. And you don't want to also use a metal spoon. You have to use a wood bowl, plastic bowl, or a glass bowl. These three bowls are the best, or even a bamboo bowl you can also use. So I will go ahead and add my sweet almond oil. I will follow up with my hemp oil. Then now I will add few drops of my essential oil, which is lavender and tea tree oil. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, you are highly welcome. Please go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Also turn your notification bell, because that will notify you anytime I upload a new video. For my new and returning subscribers, thank you so much. I do appreciate you guys, and welcome back. So you're just gonna mix that very well. Then after mixing it, you want to like go to the shower and damp your hair. Okay, so this is what I did, and yeah, so I am back from like wetting my hair in the shower. So I will go ahead and start applying my clay. So you want to wet your hair because it will make it easier for you to work with. And here is my advice: if you have a very kinky coils, or you have a tight coils, you should pre-pull your hair a day before, or finger detangle, because this is what I did. I pre-pull my hair with aloe vera juice a day before, and I finger detangled my hair before even the day, so it will make it easier for me. This is my opinion. You don't have to do yours like that if you don't have the time. It is totally fine. But when you're doing this, please don't comb your hair. Okay, don't comb your hair. You want to use your hands. You want to use your fingers, okay, like to finger detangle. So I will go ahead and apply the clay on my hair. Then yeah, I am loving it, guys. I was so surprised with this clay, because it's the first time I am using a Bentonite clay Bentonite clay to like clarify my scalp since my 3.5 years natural hair journey, and I really loved the result because I was flaked out how soft it left my hair after I washed it out, and I follow up with a moisturizing conditioner. But I think next time I will do it and I will not use any conditioner at all because my hair felt so soft, like my hair was so soft and my coils were popping, guys. And yeah, you have to watch it to the end to see the result, how my hair turns out. I was so happy because I was so afraid at the beginning because my hair is very fragile and my scalp is very sensitive. So yeah, this is not harmful at all because I also apply a bit to my face, a bit that was left. I applied it to my face and it also left my face so soft. My face was super soft like a baby skin, which I really love. This me, I will be using it a lot from now on. Okay, yeah, I'm almost done and it's a bit messy, but I think it's worth it. So this is how my coils look like. It is so flaky and like wow. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video really helpful. Please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you very soon. Bye.